As the 2024 governorship election don dey near, different political parties don dey see changes, and the All Progressive Congress APC and People's Democratic Party PDP no dey left out. The All Progressive Congress APC don again receive deflection of all the 10 Ward Chairmen with executive of Egor PDP for APC Edo State Secretariat, Ikpopan Road, Benin City. The national leader, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, the state chairman, Emperor Jared Tenebe, the governorship candidate, Senator Monday Okpekolo, the deputy candidate, Honorable Dennis Idausa, and the APC family welcomed the campees with open hands and readiness to work with them. Senator Adams, for his speech, say them be returnees and promise say them go work together to make sure say APC return to the governance of Edo State.
The man who made a difference this day, who has moved the entire machinery of PDP in Egor into APC. I would rather call you a returnee because we worked together before in the old days here. We have the same name, and by the special grace of God, we are now of the same party. Together we work to ensure the defeat of PDP and Labour Party, and of course, APC will return to governance of Edo, and our next governor knows where to start. He doesn't need torchlight. He can see all the things that have stopped, and he will ignite the engine of growth and development in this great thing. Tonight, I am particularly excited. The transparent manner in which my friend, my brother, my comrade, my namesake, Adams, meticulously identify each ward leader, youth leader, all the ward executives in each of the wards in the local government. He could have just passed some people and said, these are all the campaign, but he identified just the leaders across the ward. So nobody is left. So, Ofuni. So, I want to assure you, and through you, Adams, I want to assure those who have queued behind you to return to APC that you are not a stranger in the house. Lucky can assure you that much. That you will not be, you cannot be treated as a stranger because you are not one. You bring on board your weight of experience. You bring on board your rugged, dogged, digital determination to do what you have already doing. The way you work, and we were defeated. Now you will walk so that we shall win. So to all of you, leaders of the 10 wards of the local government, all the women, all the men, all the elders, as you find out, I can see a lot of energy we are reinjecting into the APC machine. On the basis of woman, one woman, one vote. What they go leader, one vote. What they go youth, one vote. Even what they go cameraman, one vote. Let me say, Adams, I want to use this opportunity to thank the great people of Egor. If I were to adopt another local government, I will adopt Egor as my local government. And I will tell you why. In 2012, general election, governorship election, Egor people gave me 96% of the total vote cast. Egor people gave me much more than my own local government gave me. So, not who give you, you go follow. Not who give you, go follow. And by the special grace of God, those things that we did, and I know what they are, we make conscious effort to defraud Egor. Now the floods are back. This man, without grammar, without consultancy, he will dredge all those flooding areas in Egor. It is not an act of God that you don't look forward to rains. By the special grace of God, many people will look forward to the rainy season with joy again. With Akoko as the governor. I drove tractors to dredge so that water can flow. I didn't use consultants. I drove tractors to teachers' house, to drive away the Mami water. I didn't sign any document. Let the point be made. What we need today is the man who can do, not the man who can talk. If Turkey will change Nigeria, Nigeria will be more than America. This man will spend the time doing instead of talking. If Turkey is required, we will talk. But this man knows what Edo people need now is to do. And he go do. He go do well. He will go around Egor during the campaign. He will see those dredges that have been blocked. He will deceive them. And Egor people will be happy when rains are coming. Not only Egor, but today I'm focusing on Egor because the people who are here are those who gave me 96% vote because of the defrauding, and I know that he will do it. So I want to thank Adams and all the people in the Garden of Eden. You know what I mean? Because I saw that in Adam's garden they have men and women, and that's the story of the Garden of Eden. So thank you so much for the honor you've done for us today. And I have the authority of the incoming governor to promise you, you will look forward to the rainy season again without fear. What is valid for Egor is valid for Oredo, and is valid for Ikobaraka, and is valid for the rest of our state. We now need workers. You know, when I was contesting, some people say I didn't even have primary school. I didn't have primary school, but I know that erosion is bad. I didn't have primary school, but I know we needed a beautiful hospital. I didn't go to primary school, but I know how to drive away by me water without using holy school. I didn't go to primary school, but I know how to rebuild this market when it was brought down. I knew that red roof is good for the child of the poor. I knew that the way to keep the party together to respect elders, we work with the youth. When they come here, show about or show children. And together, we made a difference in 8 years. The engine is slowed, but the heartbeat will back. Edo will rise again. Edo will rise again. Edo will rise again. If you believe Edo will rise again, raise up your hand.
Some of the decampees now Honorable Barrister Nosa Adams wey carry join body Comrade Abiodun Akpata, Okoro Godwin, Agbe Omage and others. Honorable Nosa Adams on behalf of the decampees can talk say,
the last election we won, we defeated our opponent that time with 17,000 votes. This time around we are joining APC now. We must make a difference. Our Commissioner Denko must win the election with 20,000 votes. We will start from draw itinerary. We will join our brothers who came to meet in APC. We will start all of the work to do proper integration. All your unit heads and their unit heads, those who came to meet, and the unit heads who came to meet, we will call a meeting from ward to ward. After we have won, we will come and make speeches. Thank you very much.
APC Chairman Emperor Jared Tenebe can show the happiness of the party to receive them and can talk say all the promises where the party don't make to them go fulfill them.
In a governor of this state who by his power and by his hard work and everything, we had a different Edo from Edo we had that time. And this person is the transformer that many people were taking life. And some people conspired together to try to cut off the cable that was bringing light to this transformer where all of us were getting light from. And who is that transformer? And the wire that they cut some years back has been connected. The power is flowing again from Abuja, and we are all tapping from that power. And who is that transformer? That person is our leader, Comrade Adams Ali Oshun. Today we are very happy that the entire structure of PDP in Egor, led by our brother, Barrister Nosa Adams, have come to join us today. And our leader has made all the promises. And I can only say yes, everything he promised will be done. Because APC is a party of opportunities. Just the way the party gave me an opportunity that I can stand to you today and address you as the chairman of the party. That same opportunity will be extended to all of you that joined us today. After receiving you people today, what it means is that all the people that left from APC with Obaseki to PDP have all returned back to APC. And all the people he went to meet in PDP have all returned back to APC. What it means is that Obaseki, Aswa Egodalo, and Matthew Idwekeme are the only people remaining in the PDP today. We are very happy for our leader. We know you. We know that you are leading us well, and we know you are leading us to the promised land. By the power conferred on me by the party as the chairman, I hereby receive all of you into the fold of APC to the glory of God. All of us will all achieve with the proofs that have been handed over to all of you. We have handed over the broom to you today with your followers to sweep out all the poverty remnants of PDP that are remaining in that local government. So we welcome you to this party. All the ward chairmen, all the ward leaders that have joined us today should, as a matter of urgency, just the way your leader has said, start holding meetings with our own people so that we can properly integrate for the greater battle that we have ahead.
The party come also assure say them go hold different meetings with each of the deflected wards to achieve ogbonge things. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.